Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of English with Strangers. If you want to be part of this series or if you want to learn English in one-on-one and group classes, you can send me a message on my number or my email ID. Today, I've got a guest, Deepika. So, we are talking for the first time. Let's get to know her. Hi, Deepika. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Deepika. I'm from Haryana and I hold master's degree in commerce. Previously, I worked as a commerce teacher, but currently I'm a homemaker. Alongside managing my home and kids, I also run a small YouTube channel, English with Deepika, where I'm share my English journey and my little bit experience with the beginners.
So, as you already know, my name is Roshan and I am from Bihar. I also work as a teacher. Earlier, I was working in a school, but now I do it on the internet as a freelancer. So I recently graduated with English honors, and I also have a YouTube channel where I do similar kind of conversation, and I create English related content. I love reading, watching movies, so that's pretty much about me. This YouTube niche, where every day a new person is trying to record their videos or uploading their videos. So what kind of media are you consuming or you are trying to create?
Okay. Uh, So previously I came across a conversation video.
Yeah.
Okay. Then it was seems like a yeah, that's a right content for you. You can do like that. Okay. You can learn in this way. Okay. But at that time, I was considering myself introvert. I didn't want to talk to anyone, and some especially strangers.
Yeah.
Okay. Then I tried to make a solo video. Okay. Firstly, I try to comfortable with the camera.
Yes.
Okay. Then I start with a solo video. After that, I chose AI tools for my comfortable. I mean, I want to make a habitual for this language so that
Okay.
I easily I talk to someone. That's
Mhm.
why. Uh, After sometime I felt like yeah, you have a now you had a little bit confidence, so you can try to connect with different peoples, and also you can do it. Then I started to connect with different personalities. I approach especially YouTubers to connect with different persons. So this is my way to learn this language. This is my own way. And I also, you know firstly I started with a solo video. Sometime I upload shorts regarding new phrases and idioms. After that I'm come to my conversational videos. So
Okay.
nowadays I'm uploading conversational videos. So this
Mhm.
is my way.
All right, good, good. Uh, do you think your confidence have improved after you started this YouTube channel?
Definitely, I found a drastically change in myself.
Hmm.
When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't, in fact, a single sentence I can't, sorry, I couldn't speak
Hmm.
in front of anyone actually.
Yeah.
But nowadays, I'm able to connect with other persons, especially strangers.
Yeah.
Okay, I learned a lot of things from my mistakes. I did a lot of mistakes from earlier in my journey. Then I learned from these mistakes. Okay, because I realized if you learn this language, so you have to be speak with others. You can't you never speak with yourself. Okay, always yourself. So you have to be connect with different people.
Yes.
And when earlier I started my journey, then I also realized that I feel so a lot of stress
Mhm.
when I trying to learn this language. After meeting with different peoples, different personalities,
Yeah.
then I realized now you learn something new,
Mhm.
not regarding English. Also, you also improve your communication skills too.
Yeah.
Okay, and after that, now I'm enjoying this journey.
Mhm.
Seriously,
Yeah, yeah. I think
and
uh, once you
one
once you encounter a couple of people who speak better than you get that confidence that if I'm able to talk to them, I can talk to anyone, right? So that's a good thing. Keep doing it.
one day I yeah. one day I came across your videos. Not most of the videos, but yeah, some of videos I watched your videos. You are communicate with especially advanced speakers. Okay, then I felt jittery. How can I connect with this person? Because uh, she already advanced speaker. I was consider you advanced speaker. Then how can you connect with that person? Then I no, you have to do that when you learn, when you connect with advanced speakers, when you connect with the experienced person, you learn a lot of things from that person. So that's why I approached you for connecting.
Yeah, thank you for saying that. Actually, I'm also learning at the same time I also teach. So that's why, being in touch with this language, it seems like I can speak. But once you stop being in touch with the language, you lose the flow. The words doesn't come
Yeah,
naturally as it used to come. So don't worry, nobody is advanced speaker, nobody is a beginner. You just have to you just have to feel confident, and that confidence is only going to come to you once we start speaking. So keep doing that. All right, then you mentioned
yeah,
that
you are
you were
right.
working as a commerce teacher, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So tell me something about that, your teaching experience, and why did you stop it?
Okay, actually, uh, I teaches I sorry, I taught 11th and 12th class. Okay, but after having kids, I think it's need a more take care and love and all that.
Yeah.
So that's why I quit it. Once they will grow, then I or start my career again. But nowadays I'm trying to explore something new. So I want to go for a like IT sectors here, you can say, in a MNCs.
Yeah.
So that's why this is also one of the reason I'm preparing, you can say I'm preparing for interview like that, because I few months ago I given a lot of interviews. Okay, somehow I cracked one or two interviews, but then I felt like no, you are not able to live in that environment because you are not habitual of speaking English. So
Mhm.
that's why this is also one of the reason to learning this language. And yeah, I'm also improving my communication skills too, because this is also necessary if you want to go and IT sector and others sector.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So that's
If
why.
if you want to work in MNC, without English, you cannot survive there, right? You must have good
Yeah,
communication skills and command over your English language. Okay,
yeah.
tell me about
So
Haryana.
this is
How is weather there, and do you enjoy living in that state?
yeah. Nowadays, you can say today is a muggy weather.
Hmm.
Okay, because for since few days, uh, it had been drizzling, uh, continued drizzling. Okay, but today is little bit of sunny day. It's cloudy too. Okay, and the weather is a muggy, you can say it's a hot, some kind of hot, not a scorching hot, but yeah, hot and humid.
Do you enjoy living there?
Yeah, actually, I love their weather because here not too much hot and not too much cold, and it's a medium of, yeah, it exists a medium weather
Yeah.
in that state. So that's why.
I think you are also into reading. So, what kind of books do you read?
Reading, I'm not much into reading.
Hmm.
I'm just make trying to make habit of reading. Okay,
Okay.
I try to one book actually, uh, you can atomic habit. Okay,
Okay, you are trying to
I
beat this habit.
read a
Reading.
few chapters.
Mhm.
Yeah,
I'm saying that you are trying to build this
yeah,
habit of
I
reading.
tried. Yeah. I'm trying to build a habit of reading, but I quit that book and keep it aside because
Mhm.
I think I'm not good at a read in that case. I'm not, take interest in that book. So that's why I'm keep aside. And nowadays I'm trying to start reading from a storybooks,
Mhm.
especially for Sudha Murthy ma'am. So I will prefer that this kind of books. So yeah.
Okay. I want to know what kind of challenges you faced when you had started learning this language. You mentioned like 5 months ago you started being consistent. But did you ever try to learn
Yeah,
this
yeah.
language before 5 months?
Yeah, I tried many times just because I'm not familiar with this journey. I didn't know how to start. This
Yeah.
is the main thing you can say. I'm confused about to how to start my journey
Hmm.
because many times I start my journey with sometime I jump into the directly grammar. Sometime I watched advanced level. You can say mid intermediate level content. So after watching that content I feel felt demotivated because you don't know I mean at that time I'm not able to understand everything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Yeah.
that's why after some time I realized you are going a wrong track. I
Hmm.
think this is not a right track to learn this language. When I came across the conversation video, then uh, I realized that now it is the right thing
Yeah.
to learn this language
Mm-hmm.
because you want to spoken English. Okay, you want to learn spoken English, so you have to do watch this kind of content so that you able to speak in English.
Exactly.
So yeah, and I also learned so many things from my mistakes. That is, if you really want to learn this language, if you want to speak in this language, you have to speak.
Yeah.
Okay, from day one you have to start to speak. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
and second thing, you don't feel shy for making mistakes. This is also a main reason because sometimes we want to speak in English, but something stopping from inside.
Yeah.
Just because you want to, you are feeling shy, just because you are like that. If you making mistakes, some people make a fun of you like that. So these things also a big hurdle to start your journey. And yeah, but if you want to start your journey, you firstly you consider that thing, you are a beginner, so you try to watch your level, watch your content according to your level.
Yes.
Don't go for an intermediate or advanced level. After watching that content you feel demotivated because you don't understand everything, then you feel like no, it's not your cup of tea to learn this language. So that's why,
Yeah.
so many things I realized, and I also learned from these things. Now I'm working on my mistakes.
Yeah. You should. You should. So for the viewers, she is absolutely correct. You have to identify which level you belong to. As a beginner, intermediate, and advanced. It doesn't matter which level you belong to. Comprehension is very
Yeah,
important. So let's say if you're watching a video and if you're not able to comprehend it completely, watch it multiple times. Okay, it doesn't have to, you don't
yeah,
have to feel ashamed or shy or afraid that I'm not able to understand it. It's not our first language. So have some patience and watch multiple times if you're not able to understand one content or one piece of writing. And output is important, as you
you're
also
right.
mentioned that you have to start speaking from day one. And once you start speaking, try to become an analyzer. Like try to analyze your own mistakes. And if you can do that, then you are good to go. Your journey will become easy. You will enjoy it. You will come across good people, good
Yeah,
content, and it will be fun to learn. All right, ma'am.
of
Before
course.
wrapping up,
And first thing is that
yeah, go on, go on.
I want to say one thing more. You have to you have to do one thing. You just try to listen first. Okay, because from listening you get a you get 70 to 80%
Yeah,
of
that is so good.
about knowledge
Yes,
about
listening is
that
important.
this language actually. Yeah, previously and I didn't recognize that thing, but after some time I realized you have to just listen uh, more sorry,
Hmm.
I want to say, when you listen more, okay, then you get more things, then you automatically you try to speak that thing. So
Yeah.
firstly you try to do listen more.
Mhm.
Okay. And yeah, and second thing is that you just build your confidence firstly. Okay. You don't feel like that, no, when I'm perfect in this language, then I'm trying to speak in English. No, you try to speak in from day one. Create your build your confidence.
Yeah,
After that you work on your mistakes.
exactly, exactly. You will feel confidence once you start speaking. Don't wait for perfection. Just take that first
Yeah,
step.
yeah, yeah.
All right, ma'am. Before we wrap it up, do you have any questions or do you want to end the session?
Okay, I want to ask only one question. That is, um, if I suppose that I am having conversation, okay, sometime I'm feeling, I know, at the particular, sometime I forget the basic word,
Hmm.
okay, and I'm trying to recall something new and other things, but I'm unable. So, so at the time, then how can you reduce that thing? We need to learn more vocabulary, and you can do other things for that
No,
issue.
see, you already know the answer. You answer it yourself. You just have to practice. The more conversation you will
Okay.
have, you will be able to identify that this is the area where I need to improve. Let's say I upload this video. So you can rewatch your part and you can make mental notes or literally notes that this was the answer which I was not able to answer. So instead of cramming vocabulary, find out the answers that how I can answer it differently. Do you understand my point?
Okay.
I think you are capable enough to
Yeah.
analyze your own mistakes now. So rewatch your conversation, your own recordings, and try to find alternatives. You don't have to remember a lot of words. Don't cram them. Like learn in context. What I want to say here that let's say you are not able to answer a particular question, so learn to answer that. And second time, third time, if somebody is asking questions to you, then I think you will be able to answer it better than the last time.
Yeah, you are right. But sometime when I got a new question, when I got a new question, then I feel hesitate. Sometime,
Yeah.
not all the time, but yeah, I'm trying. Working on that
It is
thing.
natural. It is
Whenever
natural.
someone asks any question,
See,
yeah, okay,
if you are meeting somebody new and if you are encountering some new questions which you are not familiar with, it's natural to feel scared. But again, it's part of showing up regularly. You know, with consistent practice, you will stop feeling this way. But yeah, it's completely natural.
okay,
All
okay.
right
And
then.
thank you for connecting with me. And
Yeah,
you,
thank you for
yeah,
writing.
you made my day just because
It was lovely chatting with you. Yeah, please continue. You are saying something.
I want to say that you made my day just because I'm on before this conversation. I'm feeling jittery. I'm feeling like how to continue my session because I'm not, able to speak with the because I'm considering you as an advanced speaker. So that's why I'm feeling jittery. But now after few minutes, I'm feeling comfortable.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
I
glad I
want to
was
say
not
that.
too scary. It was lovely meeting you, and hopefully we can do another session for your channel too. All right then. Have a good day.
Sure,
See you.
sure. Have a good day.